Our mission is to ensure that you hear now and always. We are committed to this throughout your lifetime, bringing you the latest tools. In that spirit, we've made getting you covered through insurance easy, because, well, that just makes sense. We bill insurance for you, so working with your provider is simple. We're enrolled with Medicaid programs in most states. We bill Medicaid, Medicare, and private insurance for medically necessary upgrades. Also, for parts and accessories, we bill Medicaid, Medicare, and commercial plans with which we are contracted. To find out if Cochlear can bill your insurance provider for you, please visit us here. If your plan is not listed, please seek reimbursement on your own. All you need to do is follow these steps. First, place your order by visiting us online by logging into your Cochlear family account. If you haven't already activated your account, you can do so here. You can access the online store from your account. Items in the store marked with this icon are generally covered by insurance. For these items, you need to check the box for Bill My Insurance if you would like us to bill insurance for the selected product. For first-time purchasers or insurance changes, you will need to fill out both an insurance intake and an assignment of benefits form. You'll see the link to these forms after you complete the checkout process. Because we are a durable medical equipment provider, we'll gather clinical documentation from your doctor. This serves as a prescription that allows us to provide the products ordered to you and justifies that they are medically necessary for your cochlear implant to continuously function. Cochlear will verify your insurance benefits, gather documentation from your physician, then determine the estimated out-of-pocket costs. After these steps, your order ships. Parts and accessories typically take up to 2 weeks from the date your order is placed. After shipment, Cochlear will submit claims and receive payment from your insurance. You will be responsible for paying any applicable coinsurance, deductible, or amounts not covered by your insurance. If you have an urgent need and cannot wait for the insurance approval process, you may want to consider self-pay to expedite shipping. The last step is to love your product. We have proudly helped hundreds of thousands of people here for over 30 years, and we hope it improves your life too. Please keep in mind that if you choose to self-pay for an item generally covered by insurance, you may not be able to submit a claim on your own if Cochlear is contracted with your private insurance provider. Please visit us here to see if we are contracted with your insurance provider. If we are contracted with your insurance provider, we suggest placing your order through Cochlear's reimbursement and insurance services. If you seek reimbursement on your own, you will be solely responsible for any amounts to include contractual or discounted payments that your insurance provider does not cover.